Rahim, June 15, variant 33, question number 8. I'm doing second part and third part only. So U is given this, find argument of each complex number. We have two loci, one is locus here, second locus here. And when Z involved on one side, it's called circle. And all of you know how to convert it, how to make a simple form before to apply rule. Actually I means is 0 and plus I. This is a way, it means center of circle is coming 0, 1. And radius is coming 2. But here we what to do, I said before Z minus U mentioned here. So I'm writing 1 minus I, and here nothing after Z. So I will write myself 0 plus 0I. Okay? So what is this? This point is coming 1 and minus 1. What this point is 0, 0. If you check this one carefully, it is x is 1, y is minus 1. X is 1, y is x is 1, y is minus 1. It means something like here. If you check this point, so it means this point we have, and second point is 0, 0. If I ask you, please draw a perpendicular bisector here for this 0, 0, 0, 0 and 1, 1. So naturally 1, 1 and 0, 0. So this would be here going through minus 1 and plus 1. How you know, sir? Because naturally it will go from middle of them. So this is one idea. Second circle is what here? As x is 0, y1. x 0, y1 is where? X 0, y1 is here. And radius is 2. It means circle would be, it is approximately going like this. So let's see, combine both, okay? Let's see. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I'm going to combine both. So combine both. So let's start. First of all, I draw a circle. As you know, the circle is a center here, and center is at a 1. So it means circle is at a 1. This is a 1. This is a 1. Okay. So it means this is a origin. How I know origin here? Wait a minute. This 1, this radius, this 2, and center is 1. So it means not here. It is not here. Okay. It means this is a here. Okay. Now concentrate once again. Concentrate once again. So 1 is here, 0, 1 is a center, x0, y1 center, and radius is 2. So it means this gap is 1 and this gap is also 1. Clear? So this is a circle, clear. Now draw a perpendicular bisector. This is a 1 and this is a 1. So this is the second point here. This point is here present. 1 and minus 1. And this circle. So when I draw a perpendicular bisector, it will go through 1 and this way. So repeat again to you, this is a perpendicular bisector. Recall again 1, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 1 minus 1. So it will go through middle. So you can see that 1 and minus 1. So this is very, very clear. And center of circle is what? x0, y1. So you can see x0, y1. So this is a 1, this is a 1 because radius is 2. So first part is okay. Now read a question. Find argument of each complex number where they intersect. And they intersect at two spots. One spot is here, second spot is here. And now if I ask you what is the argument of this, so not a hard job, it is easy. Reason whenever we have this, a point here, this point, and this is called argument. So the argument of one complex number is a very simple, is a negative pi by 2. One part is over. Now one part left only. And what left? So what is argument? Argument, you know that if you make a line, this angle is called alpha, and that's my target. What is the definition of argument? Angle with x-axis is called argument. So if I get this angle, my question is over. Now question come in your mind. My question here, what is this? 2. Because 2 circle radius. What's from here till here? 2. From here till here 2. And from here till here also 2. So I will make this triangle I'm making here. So this triangle I can make here. This is a 1, this is a 2, this is 90 degree. And this is a alpha for your knowledge. If I make a rough diagram with a green marker here, so this is, so they are like this. This is like a parallel lines, and this line cutting them. So this alpha, this also alpha. Is like that. Okay. So I repeat again. This is a little bit hard idea to understand. I explain again. The gap from here to here is 2. I wrote 2. And gap is, this is how much? 1 is very visible, 1. It means if I get this angle and this angle equal to each other. How come? I'm plotting my line parallel to x-axis. So let's find this angle. How to find angle alpha? So it is the opposite by adjacent, so tan inverse. Tan inverse 1 by 2. Give me answer please. So argument of the complex number second is, give me answer.
0.46.
0.46. So my second answer is 0.46. I have two complex numbers and both arguments are very clear. Please stop.